Hello, ladies and germs. Tonight we're going to fry some chicken in our handy-dandy chicken fryer contraption here at Rockhound State Park in beautiful New Mexico. Cut to the beautiful New Mexico. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So come over and film the thing. And this is our fryer. It's filthy. It's always filthy because we use it all the time. We can't use it and keep it clean all at once. And now we're waiting for the green light to come on, which takes just about forever. And a little lesson in photography. If you need to, you can hide your face from the sun so it doesn't have such harsh shadows on that. If you normally see, a lot of YouTubers have very harsh shadows on the faces because they're standing out in direct sun. Don't do that. See? It works. Now you see, I don't have all those harsh shadows on my face because I'm standing kind of behind a tree in the shadow of the bus. Simple as that. It's time to start cooking. Too big before. Overflowing my basket. Are you ready? Ow! I was doing it like you. Just throw things at it. 18 minutes.
Okie dokie.
Because they're fairly big. If you have small ones, go 15 minutes. If you have turkey thighs, go about 25 minutes. Do with our pan here. And now we wait. Can you get closer? Can you get closer? And that's what they're shriveled up to.
Oh, now be honest. You fried some chicken skin separately, crackling.
Now the darkness is because of seasoning we put on. That's just what it is. It's not because it's overcooked.
What seasoning did you use?
That's Cajun stuff like that. Tony, she's Cajun.
And Zatarain's wonderful.
Yeah.
To cut them in. Yummy.
Yeah, that dark brown is coming from the seasoning.
Nice little master-built turkey fryer that you can travel with in your bay or some storage part of your RV. And when you're ready for some fried chicken, who needs KFC? Wish you guys could smell this chicken. Yummy.
So dark because of the Cajun spices we put on it.
Mm-hmm.
Same as you use for blackened fish.
It's how we like it. Always set your timer differently, but this is how we like it. It's tasty.